Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in today and watching my video on air fried bacon wrapped radishes. So I'm really excited about this recipe. Many of you may or may not know that radishes are the low carb potato. I use radishes in a lot of recipes as a substitute for potatoes. Now, I know that a lot of people use cauliflower as a substitute, and I will say this, I do use cauliflower as a substitute. However, it does not taste like potatoes. Anyway, if you guys don't mind, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe and share it if you would. I would certainly appreciate it. So let's get right to it. So I have here, I don't know, about a pound of radishes, and I have, as you can see, already cut off the tops and the bottoms. There's no need to peel them. You can just leave the peelings on, and just make sure that they're washed. Dry them, just pat them dry with a paper towel, and they're ready to go. Next, I have cut a pound of bacon, thin sliced bacon, in half. And you can use whatever kind of bacon you want. I just use the cheapest that there is. And then you just take a piece of, or a half a piece of the bacon, and go ahead and get one of your radishes and just begin to wrap it. Now I wrapped it around once, and then I went ahead and crossed over so it's completely wrapped. You don't see really any of the radish. Now you can put a toothpick in it to hold it. I didn't see this as a necessary step. I just placed the seam side down on my basket and proceed to go ahead and wrap all of the radishes. I have preheated my air fryer on 400 degrees, and we're going to air fry these for about 12 minutes to 14 minutes. We'll see how they come out. Now I'll let you know how they come out. And here they are. Guys, I ended up doing these only for 12 minutes. Also, there is no reason to turn these because your air fryer basket does allow the air to cook from both sides. So thanks for watching again.